Just upload your kids' train animations and you can earn a chance to make $18,000 per month. Don't worry, it's not tiring because in this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to create train animations without the hassle of editing. You can simply use your smartphone. So, please don't skip this video as I will explain the importance of each step. I will start with dissecting reference channels, finding content materials, video creation, and even the trick to uploading. The tutorial will be comprehensive so you can practice it yourself. Now, let's move on to the first step, dissecting reference channels. Here, we have a channel called Kitties TV, which already has 2.6 million subscribers with content focused on train animations for children. The viewership is quite impressive, with some videos reaching up to 320 million views. This means there is a high demand for these types of animations among kids. You might think that creating such animations requires a computer, but that's not the case. You can simply use your smartphone. If you search for similar trending videos on YouTube, you'll find many animations for kids with billions of views. These videos can earn hundreds of millions from AdSense. So, there is a significant interest in these kinds of videos among children, and if you create them in English, you can target an international audience and potentially earn more from AdSense. Now, let's explore how we can seize this opportunity. We will create animations without the hassle of editing by simply recording the screen. But before we jump into the tutorial, let me check the analytics of this Kitties TV channel on Social Blade. This particular channel earns around $1,200 to $18,900 per month. Even the lowest amount, $1,200, which is a significant income. For the video category, we can choose either education or entertainment, depending on whether you want to focus on educational or entertaining content. Now, let's proceed with the tutorial. The next step is finding content materials. Go to the Play Store and search for the Humpty Train app. It offers various children's games with animations that you can use for your videos. Each app has different animations, so you can choose the ones you like. I recommend the Thomas & Friends app as it has high ratings and excellent animations. Once you download the app, don't forget to download a screen recording app as well if your smartphone didn't have the feature. This will allow you to record the animations while dubbing or adding your own voiceover. Now, let's move on to the video creation process. Open the downloaded Train app. Activate the screen recording, and you'll see the high-quality animations that you can use for your videos. Record the screen while dubbing or speaking to avoid repetitive content. You can also edit the sound to avoid copyright issues. Remember, using other apps or games as a medium for your videos doesn't result in copyright issues. They will actually appreciate the promotion. To make your videos more interesting and diverse, I suggest using multiple apps instead of relying on just one. Now, let's move on to the video creation process. Once again, I want to emphasize that we will create voiceovers and add our channel logo using an editing app. In this example, I'm using CapCut. Alright, I'm already in the CapCut app. After opening the app and have imported my screen recording from my gallery, adjust the video. Click on the clip and select the ratio option, align it according to the resolution. Next, you can mute or remove the audio by clicking on the timeline or video, then go to the volume slider and decrease the volume. Once the video is properly aligned, you can select the desired sections. To remove unwanted parts, split the video by clicking the split icon to trim or cut the unwanted portions. Sort and remove any undesirable sections. If there are ads shown up, delete them. To make the video more engaging, you can add voiceover. Go to Audio, then click on the Record button to enable voiceover. You can now add voiceover, just tap or press and hold to record. To increase the volume, select the clip and click on the volume option. Adjust it as desired. To enhance the video further, you can add your channel logo. Click on the Select the text to add your channel logo, such as the channel name Tips by Tayaz. Customize the font and color to your preference. Place it on top of the video. To make the video more appealing to children, you can add a background sound. Search for child-friendly, no copyright background music on YouTube and download it. In the app, click on the Audio and your Sounds option, then choose your device and select the desired background music. Finally, when you're done, export and save the video in the gallery. Click on the Export button in the upper right corner and choose the resolution, 1080 pixel. The video will be saved in the gallery, and you can review the final result. You can get creative and customize it however you like. For those wondering about the category, you can choose either education or entertainment. Even if you don't select it as a kids video during upload, YouTube will still recommend it to children. That's all for this video. Thank you to everyone who watched it. I hope it provides useful content ideas for those in need. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to stay updated with the latest content from my channel, Tips by Tayaz. Good luck to all of you. See you in the next video.